living planet. What secrets lie hidden deep within?
Earth isn't solid. It's a cosmic onion, layered like an intricate sphere. Each layer, a world of its own. First, the crust, our thin, rocky home. Continents, oceans, mountains. It's Earth's fragile, dynamic outer skin. Below, the upper mantle, a thick layer of solid but flowing rock, like super slow, molten plastic. Deeper still, the lower mantle, even denser, hotter, under immense pressure. A vast, solid, yet still flowing realm. Next, the outer core, a massive, swirling ocean of liquid iron and nickel. Electrically charged, a true planetary dynamo.
At Earth's very heart, the inner core, a solid sphere of iron, hotter than the sun's surface, under unimaginable pressure. Inside unimaginable conditions, pressure millions of times greater than surface, temperatures hotter than the sun.
Convection currents in the mantle drive Earth. Hot material rises, cools.
These currents move tectonic plates. Our continents slowly drift, collide, and separate, shaping Earth's surface over millennia.
The core generates Earth's magnetic field.
Earth's internal heat powers geothermal energy. Plumes rise, providing clean, renewable power.
Scientists see inside using seismic waves. Earthquakes send waves through layers.
Journeying to the center, through solid crust, thick mantle, liquid outer core, to the solid inner core. A profound descent.
Earth is a dynamic, living planet, driven by immense internal forces, a complex, ever-changing world beneath our feet.
Fascinated by Earth? Like, share, subscribe. What other cosmic secrets should we explore next?